Welcome back. Today, I'm going to teach you how to become a Notion pro, even if you're just starting out. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Master the basics. Start with the core building blocks: pages, text, headings, callouts, to-do lists, and toggles. These simple elements will be the foundation of everything you build in Notion. Step 2. Learn databases. To level up, you need to understand databases. Learn how to create a table, add properties like tags or dates, and switch between views such as board, gallery, and calendar. Databases are where Notion really becomes powerful. Step 3. Use templates smartly. Notion has hundreds of templates. Don't reinvent the wheel. Browse templates for project management, journaling, habit tracking, or content planning. Customize them to match your workflow. Step 4. Build relationships and roll-ups. This is where you level up from beginner to pro. Connect two databases using relations, then pull information across them using roll-ups. For example, connect your meal plan to your grocery list, or your tasks to your goals. Step 5. Create a dashboards. Organize your workspace by creating dashboards. A dashboard is simply a page where you embed link views of your most important databases, like tasks, calendar, projects, and notes, all in one place. Step 6. Use Notion AI. Speed up your workflow using Notion AI. Ask it to summarize long notes, generate tasks from meeting minutes, or help draft content. It's like having a personal assistant inside Notion. Step 7. Keep your workspace clean. A Notion Pro keeps things tidy. Use icons and covers for easy navigation. Group pages inside folders. Archive what you no longer use. A clean workspace means faster productivity. Step 8. Learn keyboard shortcuts. Shortcuts will make you fly through Notion. Opens the command menu. At mentions people or dates. CMD, Ctrl plus Shift plus L toggles dark mode. CMD, Ctrl plus D duplicates blocks. Once you start using shortcuts, you won't want to go back. Step 9. Experiment and build. Finally, the real secret to becoming a Notion pro is practice. Build systems. Break them. Rebuild them better. The more you experiment, the more you understand what works for your personal workflow. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll be using Notion like a pro in no time. If you want scripts for specific Notion features, like databases, templates, automations, or content planning, just let me know.